What is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about probably one of my favorite stocks that I own. We're going to be talking about Visa, why I am buying more Visa stock. Now, this stock has been absolutely killing it year to date. You guys can see it has a beautiful, beautiful upward trend. And you guys can see it has highs here at $252. And it sold off from highs quite a bit, just around 10% of value from its highs. So for a uneducated or for a beginner investor, you might be scared saying, well, Carter, this stock is absolutely doomed. Why are you buying this? You should sell all of your shares and get out of this. Well, for those of you that don't know, Visa is growing at a super fast rate. And anytime a growth stock or a stock that I think has long-term potential, anytime it sells off more than 6%, I always buy more. That is the absolute biggest thing. The reason why is because you're virtually buying on all of these major dips. So then once the stock recovers, you make a lot of money, right? The stock has an upward trend, so it would be different if the stock was selling off, but since it continues to have this upward trend, I understand that this isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Now, if we actually look at the 3-year chart, you guys can see just how fast this company has gone up and this major sell-off, which brings major opportunity. So you guys can see the 3-year chart's beautiful upward trend. No major resistance in sight. The strongest resistance that the stock does have is the highs here at 252. I think it's going to find some support near about 215 to 220, right in that zone, and that's why I'm buying more of it. But on top of beautiful growth, this thing pays a dividend of 32 cents a quarter. So yeah, you get solid growth, you get dividends to compound your account, and by far one of the most awesome things that Visa has is super high profit margins. They have a profit margin at 52%, which is one of the highest out there. It's larger than Facebook, larger than Apple, larger than Tesla, a lot of these popular companies. So they have it at 52%. So what that means is for every $100 Visa brings in, they profit $52, which is super high, right? Facebook has a profit margin around 46%. Apple's around 21%. Tesla is around 6%. So you guys can see with extremely high profit margins, what tends to happen is the company can save a lot of cash because their profit is super high and their expenses are super low. So they have right around $20 billion in cash on hand, which is quite a bit. And they have right around $20 billion in long-term debt. They actually had to take on a little bit of long-term debt in the past quarter just because of the overall growth we've seen. And it's super common to see companies actually take on long-term debt to grow the business. It's super common because they reinvest that money right back into the business and grow it larger. Not to mention, Visa is getting into the fintech world and into the crypto world. So for those of you that are interested in those sectors, this company is heavily invested in both in the fintech industry and Bitcoin. They're creating credit cards and a whole bunch of things that actually allow you to get cash back in Bitcoin and to actually buy Bitcoin with their cards. So it's super convenient and awesome. Not to mention their revenue's up around 25% and growing, which is really promising. So the biggest thing from this video is this sell-off here. That 10% sell-off brings massive amounts of opportunity to buy in on a major discount. Not to mention, by far the best strategy to invest in a company like Visa is dollar cost averaging. So what it means is instead of putting up, $1,000 all up front for Visa, what you do is you pretty much invest $100 a week over the next 10 weeks or 10 months, depending on the time period you want. Now, what this does is it gets a good average price for that time. So whether the stock is going up, you still make money because the stock value is going up. But the beauty of it is when it sells off, just like it's done in the past, you will buy more, buy double what you normally would. And if it sells off more than 6%, like I just said, you want to pretty much double or triple the normal amount you invest, because once the stock turns around, you make a lot of money. So guys, this is why I am buying more Visa stock. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall, I hope you guys got something of value out of this video, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.